guys, my name is Dustin, and in today's video is going to be on my everyday baby doll makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look or just want to get ready with each other, then just keep on watching.
Hey! Hey! How y'all doing?
I know it's been a minute since I posted, and yeah, if anything, this is more of a chit chat, get ready with me, life update type video. So if you want to see how I got today's look, or if you just want to get ready together, then just keep on watching. Okay, I'm first gonna go ahead and apply some sunscreen. And for primer, I'm gonna be going in with the Maybelline Grip Me Serum Primer. This has honestly been a new favorite of mine. I've actually been using it, I'm gonna say for about 6 months now, and I still to this day really like this. And then for foundation today, I'm gonna be going in with the Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation in 115. I'm not gonna lie, this feels so weird. It's been what, 2 years since I've filmed a video, and I feel like there's just so much to update you guys on. New makeup techniques, life updates, I guess where I've been. There's also a new sponge that I'm using, and so far I really like how quick it is to blend out my foundation, but also the finish it gives. I feel like it's not soaking up as much product as a normal blender I've been using. And then for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass concealer. Okay, where do I even begin to start? I think the last time I recorded a video or posted, I think I had just turned 20, which is crazy because now I'm 22. My early 20s, I didn't post as much on, well, I didn't post ever on YouTube because I kind of just was mainly focused on work, and at the time I think I really wanted to focus on being present in my life, wanted to be socially present with my family, my friends. By the time that I guess when I would want to record, I would feel very burnt out. That was around the same time where I kind of started posting more on TikTok. Yeah, it was just a lot more easier, more quicker, because of the fact that, you know, it's short form content, it's on my phone. And the crazy thing is, within that time period, I actually dyed my hair back to black, thinking that oh, I'm gonna grow out my hair for a whole year so I can grow out all virgin hair again. I was deeply wrong, because I was having an identity crisis at this rate with my hair. Well, black hair just did not suit me. It's just too much. I don't know how to explain it. I just don't feel like myself when I have black hair. Then I'm gonna go in with a cream blush from One Size Beauty in Attention Seeker. This is the palette, but I'm gonna use the cream right here. And for the baby doll look, I kind of mainly focus it pretty much right here and then up. So it's pretty centered, but it's still kind of lifting my face. But that following summer, dyed my hair, I think back to black when it had turned 2024. I was giving me a fresh start, did not last, dyed, immediately went back to blonde. I think I want to say June, July, around that time. And I was getting into new hobbies. That was when pickleball was getting really popular, I would say. And I would play into the wee hours with my friends and all that. Overall, I was living up my summers. I think that was a pretty fun summer. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. It is in the middle of winter and my dry patches are very much flaring up today, so love that. Actually, that following year, so 2024 is when I turned 21. I had met somebody. I was really trying to delegate how I felt. I normally don't talk about my love life, I guess, online like that. That's the one thing that I keep more private. You know, I had my fun here and there, you know, soft launching on like my close friends list and all that. This was pretty much like my first ever relationship as like an adult, I guess, like coming outside of high school. So I was just trying to delegate what my likes are, what I don't like, and you know, just feel it out. Okay, and then for contour, I'm gonna go in with the Kaleidos contour palette. So going through it for a little. When I tell you I wanted more than ever for 2024 to end, I was like, let's wrap it up. I'm ready. You know, 2025 is gonna be a great and better year. Boy, was I wrong. Also, if you hear anything in the background right now, it's my mom taking a shower. I genuinely felt like the first half of my 2025, like my spark was definitely like gone. Okay, I pulled you in closer for the eye portion. I am going in with the Flower Nose Little Angel palette in Eden's Angel. Yeah, so I also saw Tate McRae in concert. Loved that concert. Now I'm just gonna go in with one of the more neutral like brown shades and deepen up the outer corners. I'm also going in a upwards motion to make sure I have that lifted like effect and look. There was a day that me and my friends, we vision board what we wanted for the upcoming year. And for this upcoming year, I wanted to tap back into really focusing on social media. I also want to be more focused on my body care routine. I really want to look, I drink 5 gallons of water each day. And then taking the darkest brown shade in the palette, I'm just gonna do like the outer lower wing that I normally do. And then taking a contour shade on the palette, I'm gonna go ahead and draw in my ʔSocials. Do I want to add glitter? Yeah, I'm gonna add glitter. I am gonna take a different palette. This is the Flower Nose Swan Ballet series. This has my favorite like shimmer shade. I'm gonna go in with a nude gel liner and apply that on my waterline. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and apply mascara. Okay, and so before I used to stop here, like just apply mascara, I wouldn't really wear falsies. However, I do wear individuals or clusters now, and when I think of doll makeup or like just dolly makeup, I immediately think of blush and lashes. These are like the perfect like dolly lashes. These are my favorite like everyday ones. They're from 99 Dreams and they're the velvet lashes. I literally have a brand new like box right here, and I just like love the look it gives me. So I'm gonna apply that under my eyelashes with just regular lash glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so after doing the lashes, you do want to set under the lashes with some eyeshadow just so that the glue doesn't get sticky or tacky. Okay, and then for powder blush, I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Cosmetics Winter Kiss. I think this is the original like powder like formula. So I heard that she might be discontinuing it, but if she is, I'm gonna cherish like the usage of this blush. But yeah, overall, like this was my first year vision boarding, so I'm praying and hoping that this year will be easy, not so much stress. Obviously I know it's not gonna be perfect, but I'm really hoping that it can only go up from here. I'm gonna go in with the Freck OG to add my beauty mark. To melt all the powders together, I'm gonna go in with the One Size Powder Melt setting spray, and I like love this. It gives me such a like hydrating like glass finish, but it doesn't like transfer at all. So a new thing that I've been doing is staining my lips under before applying my lip combination, just so that throughout the day it's still like, as the lip combo wears off, there's still pigment to my lips. So you want to go in with any lip tint, lip stain, and just go ahead and apply that and let that sit. So I mainly like just do it now and then finish up the rest of my makeup, and then before I get to lips, you'll see. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight and mattify anywhere that I want while I let the lip tint set. For eyebrow gel, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Super Slick. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and blot off the tint before applying my lip liner. Now the one thing I will say throughout the whole 2 years I went offline on YouTube, I am still loyal to the NYX Pale Pink Lip Liner. Always gonna use this. This is my favorite like cool tone pink lip liner. It just helps me block out any like warmth in my lips, I guess, and really shows the like lip combo that I'm trying to use. Okay, and then for my second lip liner, I'm going in with the Glossier lip liner in the shade Hold. And this one I kind of keep unblurred and like have it be like the defining part of the lip. Okay, and then for the actual lip product, I love the Makeup Forever Super Boost Lip Gloss in, I think this is Candy? Yeah, Daring Candy. I like just love this gloss. Like, I don't know how to describe it. I feel like it's super plumping, hydrating, and honestly, I really don't have to reapply it as much throughout the day compared to all my other glosses that I've used. Like, you're joking. Like, this is such a stunning color. Like, you're joking. You're joking. Okay, and then to really lock everything in, I go in with the One Size On Till Dawn Mattifying Setting Spray. This is pretty much it for my final everyday baby doll makeup look. This is pretty much like my go-to. Like, if I need to quickly glam, like this is what I'm doing. Actually, let me show you guys my vision board before I like sign off. Ta-da! I don't know if you can see it, but this is what my vision board looks like for this year. Yeah. So let's hope this works out. Let's hope consistency stays. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you like me, don't forget to follow me on all my socials. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.